confused about doing your masters from France or UK, this video might have just saved you tons of research and lakhs of rupees. Let's start with a blunt truth. UK and France are not equal choices for all fresh graduates. Depending upon the country you choose, your job opportunities, internship availability, and long-term career goals are going to change drastically. Now I know most Indian students are going to look at UK, English language, London, big brands like LSE, Imperial, Oxford. Sounds so comfortable, right? But let me tell you a deeper secret. For fresh graduates, France quietly becomes a better option. Most UK master's degrees at LSE, Imperial, Oxford, UCL, King's are just one-year programs. Now, this is fast, but too fast. You arrive, you give exams, and the next thing you know, graduation is just around the corner. These programs don't let you grasp at internships, build networks, or have a real-time concept of the job market. Let's talk numbers. In 2024 to 25, the UK reserved 431,000 student visas. This includes a massive number of Indian students, and UK remains the number one destination. France, on the other hand, hosts around 430,000 international students, with the Indian population around 8,000 and growing. France has officially targeted 30,000 Indian students by 2030. So yes, the UK is more popular, but France may have better outcomes. Let's talk employability. UK schools have good stats. For example, LBS MIM, around 93% employment in 3 months. But these numbers are heavily dominated by graduates who are already experienced. French MIM programs, however, are designed for freshers. HEC Paris MIM has 99% employment and ESCP has 98%. And most students join without full-time experience. Now, you would ask why? Because these students have the time to do 1 to 2 internships and build a network and learn French. And employers love the fact that they are speaking in their own language. Entry barriers are similar in both the countries. Strong academics is necessary for both, but GMAT and GRE may be optional or mandatory. UK master's programs often cost around 35,000 to 45,000 pounds, and some go beyond 60,000 pounds for a one-year degree. France's top MIMs cost around 47,000 euros to 52,000 euros for 2 years. So you get double the duration and more experience for often the same cost. The most important difference is language. For France, if you are targeting consulting, marketing, or finance, you need to have at least B2 level French. This is a fact repeatedly being shared by employers and alumni. But here's the flip side. If you do learn French, your employment chances shoot up. Employers love to have someone who can adapt to their ecosystem and offer global perspective. That's where you will stand out. Now you might ask, do I have to learn a language? Not necessarily, but then UK becomes your better option. Only if you have 2 to 3 years of experience already. Now, this is because with experience, you don't rely too heavily on your program and your CV is already strong enough. If you're a fresher going to the UK and studying at a random mid-tier university, here are the risks you are taking. Number 1, low internship opportunities. Number 2, no local exposure. Number 3, a weaker employability. And lastly, a rushed degree. Let's do a quick comparison about the fields that you are interested in: tech, finance, consulting, and marketing. Number 1, tech. UK has stronger industry, especially set up in London, Manchester, and Edinburgh. France is growing in tech. Paris is Europe's second startup ecosystem. But for tech roles, English is more accepted compared to other fields. Finance. Both UK and France are strong. London is Europe's financial capital. Paris is rapidly rising post-Brexit. For freshers, France's internship-heavy structure gives an advantage. Consulting, MBBs, which are the top firms, recruit in both the countries. In France, MBB loves the Grand École system, and HEC, ESSEC, ESCP grads have a legendary pipeline. The only con is that you need to learn the French language. And in the UK, the experience would be the differentiator. For marketing, UK is better for English-only roles, but France dominates in the luxury and brand management sector. Now let's talk visas. The UK gives you 2 years of post-study work visa on the graduate route. France gives the APS a 1-year job search visa on the master's route. 2 years versus 1 year. UK wins on paper, right? Here's the nuance. If you struggle to build experience in 1 year in the UK, even 2 years of stay back would not make much of a difference. But in France, you graduate with internships experience already. So you already have a foot in the door. But going to the UK to a random college without any experience, that's a mistake Indian students make every year. Choose your country based on your profile, not popularity. Structure over speed and internships over shortcuts. So here's the conclusion: short, honest, and practical. If you are a fresher with less than 1 to 2 years of experience, France will give you a better option as it will give you more time, more internships, more employer exposure, and a more structured path. Now, if you already are someone with 2 to 4 years of experience, UK becomes a stronger option for you as you don't have to learn a new language in this one, and London is already the hub for tech, finance, and consulting. This video helped clear your confusion. Please hit the like button so we can reach other Indian students as well who are making this decision. And if you want a short list just made for you based off your background and your career goals, feel free to reach out to us for a free counseling session, and you can find the link below in the description box. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.